The 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, power steering, front air conditioning, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.